now we go Hoover Dam. What did they call Jody?
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam.
The plus the new bridge.
Oh. It bunks a rate, okay?
Let's see, if you want to come to Las Vegas, there's a Harley Davidson store right down the street here. You can buy a Harley.
He Uber driver, okay? Anywhere you guys want to go, only charge 1 hour and $250, okay?
To have the electric
1 hour.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
$250, very cheap. Uber driver.
Not Uber. The person that he gave a ride because one hamburger $700. Yeah, one hamburger have $1,000 hamburger.
Don't see my face so much, Superior. Now I will show you
the city.
We get out of the city. That New York here, New York. See, when you guys walk at night, it's so beautiful, lot place to go. See a new. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's just attached to Mandalay Bay, the convention center. That's a long walk.
Kích xà la mà ngay.
Harley Davidson store right there.
Yeah. City wasn't that.
Las Vegas sign. I can't believe people line up there now.
Oh, this the airport or
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the little airport?
Oh, that's the end of the airport where you flew in at.
That airport that to the international, right? Right here. Nothing to look, only the dry land and gravel.
Well, there's more casinos down here, but we're not going that far.
Oh, clear.
Perfect weather to climb the rocks.
Yeah, it's too hot
You
already.
can come back and drive by and take a picture too.
It's already 90, whatever.
Straight, yeah.
Alright. I need to turn where those cars are turning.
Yeah, when you see 215, you take that exit.
I'm not even looking for 215. I'm just going to turn right there. Hopefully this is it.
No, it's a sunset, man.
Huh?
This is sunset. I told you to look at 215.
Oh.
15 next one. You really make to the mall, has a been
Surrounded by the mountain, okay?
See, I live over the pass, over there, over the hump.
Oh,
It's raining. Perfect weather for climbing Red Rock.
yeah. Think probably raining if you live next to the mountain.
Probably.
I love no one in Japan.
Oh.
Las Vegas, they never get a chance.
Oh.
Mấy người chắc mà mấy tầm mũi thế hay ấy mà không biết mà bị khăn về cái đá cho nó được.
Tao
Bạn được chuyện gì?
tao khang nó bàn plieng nó.
Khăn em mà tiền
Khang này ớt plieng.
cũng kiếm cái cái tiền lịch đây nè bên mà nó.
Oh.
Nhưng này chỉ lục trong cái nắm spa nó khơi nó túi à.
Yeah.
Rồi sao cái đi tao cũng tới cái bạn.
Alright, guys, nothing to look. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Alright? Guys, have a wonderful, like pedal there. Walk there. Look like pedal. He walk across the
Oh, that
street.
guy, yeah, for a minute.
Yeah, I look on the
See, this
side.
is Las Vegas town center. All the outlet mall, a beautiful place. Place to play, place to eat, place to
Yeah, it's
spend
like
the
a
money.
little town over there.
Town Square.
Yeah, called town square.
It's a
Still
little
like
town.
Lake Las Vegas better though.
Yeah,
Town
it's
square.
still
Town
pretty.
queer. Town square.
Town square. ព្រោះអីដូចថាស្គាល់វានឹងក្រៅចឹងណាដូចតែ outlet ចឹងណា
Yeah.
But the outlet one down here is indoor in the mall strip over there.
All right, guys. We'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful
We can
day.
always stop in at Lake Las